Welcome to Feridax Max. Next we're going to take a look at the Feridax range of hard parts. Yuasa, BS, RK, JT, WD40, PJ1 and EBC are all part of the extensive portfolio of performance parts and maintenance brands. With Yuasa and BS batteries, Feridax can offer products with proven reliability, improved performance and OE fitment by some of the world's leading motorcycle brands. Drivetrain options are provided by both RK and JT. As the premium brand, RK boasts a depth of experience with cutting-edge advancement that has made them a leader in chain performance technology and manufacturing. Their high quality and absolute dependability are the reason they are fitted as standard equipment to many of the world's biggest bike brands. JT drivetrains call upon their technical expertise to ensure that the specification of their products meets or exceeds the requirements of all modern motorcycles. In both batteries and chains, Feridax carries a comprehensive range to fit most applications. When it comes to braking, EBC Brakes is the world's leading brake specialist, and Feridax carries a large range of motorcycle disc and pads in stock, and they're available for next day delivery. Synonymous with lubrication and maintenance, both WD40 and PJ1 manufacture specialist products to help care for and maintain your motorcycle. Perhaps the most iconic lubrication brand of all, WD40 has everything within their specialist range. That includes wax and polish, chain wax, silicone shine, chain and brake cleaner, as well as their legendary lubricant sprays. PJ1 is the forerunner of power sport lubrication. They have developed top-of-the-line products for motorcycle owners worldwide, and their chain lubes have kept race bikes running at the highest levels. Both WD40 and PJ1 set the standard for durability, lubrication and corrosion control. Speak to your Feridax account manager today for more information on our entire range of performance and maintenance products.